viewers, as a matter of fact, this is your boy, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You don't know what that means, baby? I appreciate you all. Happy Sunday, I want to tell you a big thank you. Thank you for you guys subscribing. If not for you all, it would have been us, You keep us moving. Okay, if you're a new subscriber, I can always tell you once again, thank you. Welcome. Make sure you always subscribe. Click on the notification button for you to get more videos, and also copy our link and share to others so that they can get benefited also. And if you're a returning subscriber, the same thing for you. Copy the link and share for others. And above that, I told you that we are global. You know what I mean? You can always contact us if you want to buy your skincare recipe, or you want to buy organic recipe ingredient, as you may call it, or cosmetic. All these things, like we have different categories, but we sell all of them. Like we sell all of them retail. You know what I mean, baby? We travel as far the end of the world to get a product for you. That's what we do. Now you might see me in some other stores. Oh man, come on, this guy I told he have. Yes, we just guru in this thing, like we distribute to them, like we distribute them. So some said, I want to come to your office. I said right now, like I don't do office thing right now. I'm only online right now. Like I don't have some shop where I don't know. Y'all want to come to my warehouse? For how much y'all want to give to me? So you want to give me. How much you want to give to me? So, but you want to give me a huge amount of money. You can come to my warehouse and see what you can get in there. So we ship everywhere: US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia countries, and other African countries. I swear, trust me, baby, that is what we do. Even in Nigeria, we go everywhere, through DHL. And if we ship it abroad, 4 days, 4 days, trust me. And a lot of things that we can also do for you. Now I just finished making my blender oil, yes. And I'm just blending it. You see, so this is blender oil. Beautiful as it is, powerful the way it is. And it is what it is. So don't forget that you making soap, you're making body lotions, whitening lotions, you're making scrubs, whatever you're making, and you're looking for the right oil to make this thing more effective, Oh God, this is what you need to just come get. This is what you need to come get. Either Malawi, or you come get Blema. And trust me, no any other person can produce this Blema. I don't let them for you. Don't forget that, yes, they say your price way too big. That's great talk. Yeah, my price way big. Yeah, you can price me also. But don't forget, I alone produce this. Nobody, like y'all gonna look for somewhere that I want to buy Blema, I want to buy Malawi, fine. They gonna tell you, we have those, but I alone produce it. Nobody have this. That's my formula. Well tested, a couple of laboratory tests on it. Then they find out like this thing is good. So it's like a win-win. So don't be fooled by anybody because they're full of evil agenda, because they just want to make money, and y'all know people like these, they are evil. So let's not talk about that. I'm not here to come push AY, like we come in here so we tell you the real talk about Malawi, and we tell you about Blema. But don't forget, this is Blema, So like as I told you, we ship everywhere. That is what AYA Cosmetic do.
Hello everyone, this is to introduce to you the Irish Ladies Body Cream, aka Yellow Sissy. This cream does what it promises, which is to give you an amazing result, a well-moisturized skin in 14 days. You heard me right. You can get your uniform skin, yellow undertone, beautiful, amazing skin, better than I am looking in 14 days. What do you have to do? Just call the number on the screen and make your order. We'll ship everywhere to you wherever you are. This is for guys and for females. Make sure you don't miss this. Get your results as you want this year.